welcome back to BestSub TV. This is Esther. Today we are going to show you our new silver glitter socks in different types, such as ankle no-show socks, crew socks, tube socks, and the sports socks. Each was specially knitted with cool metallic silver silk strings, glittering for all seasons. The glitter part is not made from powder, so you don't have to worry it will fall off after wash or stand on your feet. They are all made of soft, elastic, breathable, and printable fabric, and available in many sizes for Yuexiu. It is stretchy and also soft. For wearing it, it will not make you feel itchy. We have them in different combinations in white and black, such as only black hue. This one is black toe with black hue. And also we got partially black at the bottom and full black bottom, which is more breathable and sweat absorbent. Black part can reduce faulty rate during printing. These two are cotton based, which is more breathable and sweat absorbent. Black part can reduce the faulty rates during printing. Okay, now let's see how to print the socks. We will use two ways to print the socks, one with cardboard and the other without cardboard. Make sure they are flat before printing. We could press for 5 seconds. Okay, now we have finished one side and now we need to print another side. We suggest to pull the corner up a little bit to minimize the seam. Thumbs up. Now let's start printing. Before printing, make sure they're flat. We will heat it up for 5 seconds. Okay, now follow the regular printing process. We will use 190° and 60 seconds. Okay, time's up. Now we will print the other side. The silver effect makes the socks shinier and can light up your unique design. If you would like to try out these socks, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can email us down below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos. See you next time. Bye!